beautiful copper colored bob to start the video off with, and then we move into another long to short transformation. Stylist braids the hair, cuts off those long braids. Oh, and reveals a gorgeous layered mid-length blob haircut. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more before and after transformations. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these major hair changes, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who decided to switch things up with this pink bob style. I love this rosy color. And she does have the tousled waves mixed in for this look. Absolutely stunning. Next up, the before starts off with someone with shoulder length hair. Wow. Looks like she went a little bit lighter with this chocolate brown color. And ended up getting a beautiful pixie style. Very nice shape and texture. This does feature a longer pixie silhouette. Such a cute and fun hairstyle change. Next up, we have another pixie in the works. Oh, it looks like the stylist might actually be doing a mullet with this one. Now this is such a rocker chic hairstyle. She does have the platinum coloring as well. Oh, very cute hairstyle idea. I absolutely love this look. And she has a nice wavy, messy texture to the strands as well. Very cute hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with long mid-back length hair. And she switches things up with this mid-length, shoulder-length lob style. Next up, we have someone that looks like they're in for a cut refresh. And she gets a nice little pixie haircut. This is a great in-between length option if you are looking to go short, but not too short with a traditional pixie style. I love how thick and full her hair is as well. Next up, we have someone with long mid-back length hair as well. It looks like she goes short with this classic bob style. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.